Hi there. Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on installing Rancher Desktop on macOS. Whether you're a developer, a DevOps professional, or just exploring Kubernetes, Rancher Desktop is a fantastic tool for managing Kubernetes clusters right from your desktop. First up, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Rancher Desktop website. You'll find the link in the video description below. Navigate to the Downloads section at the top of the screen and select the version for Mac OS based on the chip that you're using. We have versions for both the Apple Silicon chip as well as the Intel chip when it comes to Mac OS. I'm going to select the Apple Silicon chip since that's the one that I'm using currently. Okay, so once the download has completed, navigate to the Finder and locate the downloaded file. It should be in your Downloads folder. Name something like Rancher Desktop-version.dmg. For the sake of simplicity, I've copied the .dmg file onto my desktop here. Let's double click on the DMG file to mount the installer. You'll see the Rancher Desktop window pop up almost immediately. To install, simply drag the Rancher Desktop icon to the Applications folder shortcut within the same window. This will copy Rancher Desktop to your Applications folder. Now let's launch Rancher Desktop by opening our Applications folder and locating the icon for Rancher Desktop. Double click to open Rancher Desktop finally. If you see a security warning stating that the app can't be opened because it's from an unidentified developer, don't worry. This is a common macOS security feature. Upon first launch, Rancher Desktop opens with Containerd as the container runtime engine that is used by default. You can change these settings later on by navigating to the Preferences settings. As you can see here, we have two container engines to choose from, the Containerd runtime engine and the Dockerd or Moby runtime engine. Similarly, in the case of Kubernetes versions, we have multiple Kubernetes versions supported. Now, let's verify our installation by opening up a terminal and typing in kubectl get notes. You should see your Rancher Desktop node listed. And that's it. You've successfully installed Rancher Desktop on your Mac OS. You are now ready to deploy applications, manage Kubernetes clusters, and explore the vast capabilities of Rancher Desktop right from your desktop.